Hello students, today I am going to explain you the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? That is chapter number 13 of class 9. In this chapter we will learn why do we fall ill, what is disease, what are symptoms, how disease appear, what is acquired disease, what is transmissible disease, different types of disease we will learn, and why the illness come. This thing we will learn in this chapter. So introduction. In introduction, health is generally means, what do you mean by health? At first, about disease, to learn about disease we need to know what is health. Health is generally means free from illness or disease, injury or pain, lack of physical fitness, pain or lack of physical fitness. Health can be defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Health generally means what? Or illness or disease, injury or pain or lack of physical fitness, means whatever disease are there, whatever uncomfortableness are there, if we lack all the uncomfortableness, then it is known as our health. But health can be defined as you are seeing in the statement, which is red color. This statement you see, in this statement, health can be defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Physical means our physically how much well we are, how much healthy we are. Mental means our in our brain or in our mentally how much stable we are, and social means socially, in our locality how we are behaving with the people, what we are discussing, what we are telling, each and everything tells us the social well-being. These all three combine and tell us the statement that health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Now, factors to achieve good health. How you will achieve good health? You need to take foods, good food, meat, fish, eggs, beans, food and drinks, high fats, milk and dairy foods, fruits and vegetables, bread, rice, potatoes, pasta. This thing we need to take so that we can get a good health. We need to be clean every day. We need to wash our hands. We need to remain healthy. We need to remain hygienic. We need to keep the waste in dustbin. We need to bath every day. After going to the washroom, we need to wash our hands and legs. We need to do physical exercise. We need to do proper physical exercise. We need to do proper meditation. We need to do proper meditation. With proper meditation, our mental ability will increase. With our physical fitness will come by physical exercise, and our healthy we will get more and more energy by healthy foods. And if you will remain clean, then disease will not come to us. Bacteria, viruses will not attack us. They will not come to us. Now, to remain healthy, what do you need? Food and diet, exercise, family and friends. With family and friends we need to live. We need to get proper sleep, and we need to manage proper stress management. Now, important characteristics of persons having good health. Free from sickness and disease. Obviously, if a person have good health, that means he is free from sickness and disease, free from unnecessary anxiety. The person will be free from unnecessary anxiety, free from social and psychological tensions. He or she will be self-confidence, then feeling joy in living. He or she will feel joy in living, ability to work efficiently and at its best. If a person who is free from stress, then he have the ability to work efficiently and at its best. He or she will work very nicely. Now, health and its failure. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Importance of good health are good physical and social environment. The environment of the person will be good economical condition, and number 3 is good social equality and harmony. The harmony, good health means good physical and social environment, good economical condition and social equality and harmony. Proper harmony will be there. Now, let's see what is the difference between health and disease free. Healthy means what? It is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. As I have told you earlier, disease free means what? It is the state of absence from any disease. You maybe you are a mental person, or you are not going out of your home, you are not a social person, but you don't have any disease. That means you are not healthy but you are disease free. You are not social but you are disease free. You are not healthy but you are disease free. It in health, you see, point number 2, it refers to the individual physical and social environment. Physical and social environment. Health means physical and social, or whatever physical environments, whatever social environment, these all are referring to our health. It refers to only to the individuals. Disease only refers to a person, a particular individual have that disease. Healthy. In health, you will see the individual has good health. The individual may have good health or poor health. It is not sure, but he may be disease free. Now, disease and its cause. When a person is affected by a disease, either the normal functioning or the appearance of one or more system of the body changes for the worse. These changes give rise to a sign of disease called symptoms. Sign of disease called what? Symptoms. What they are telling, when a person is affected by a disease, either the normal functioning of or the appearance of one or more system of the body changes at its worst. So what they are telling, as a person suffer from some disease, what happens that time? That time the person's body's functioning, normal functioning doesn't remain normal, it becomes abnormal. Then due to this abnormal functioning of the body, some changes comes, and these changes give rise to some of the disease called symptoms. Those are known as symptoms. On the basis of symptoms, and the physicians look for a particular sign of a particular disease and conduct test to confirm the disease. So depending on the symptoms, the physicians give some the test to confirm the disease. Now, types of disease. If we look at disease, you will see different types of disease are there in our society. So all the disease has been taken into 4 categories. Number 1, acute disease. Number 2, chronic disease. Number 3, non-infectious or non-communicable disease. Or number 4, infectious and communicable disease. So these are the 4 diseases. Now I will discuss about all of this in a descriptive manner. Now see, at first, acute disease. Disease which lasts only for a short period of time and does not have long-term effect on health. So acute disease means what? Disease which lasts for a short period, just for sneezing, then cough, common cold. These all are remaining for a short period of time. So these all diseases are known as acute disease, which doesn't have any permanent effect on your body. The common cold has no cure and can live for hours outside the body. Fever symptoms severe without warming, sudden symptoms severe common without warming, tiredness, sudden extreme ache, chills, fever 100 degree. This common cold have these types of symptoms. So common cold can remain on your body and then it will go. In typhoid, mode of transmission. How typhoid transmit? How at first typhoid is transmitted. Typhoid is transmitted by a bacteria named as Salmonella typhi. In typhoid, what is happening? Loss of appetite, fever, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps. This thing will come, but it will not last for a long time. It will go after 5 days, 10 days, it will go. Now chronic disease. Disease which lasts for a long time and has long-term drastic effect on health. So chronic diseases are very dangerous. They live on a human body for a long time, and they cause permanent damage on your body. For example, elephantiasis, you can see in the pictures. Elephantiasis means the broadening of legs. Legs will become too much big, or hands will become too much big. This disease is known as elephantiasis. Tuberculosis, same. Tuberculosis, we know TB, that tuberculosis is caused by some bacteria, that Mycobacterium tuberculosis. These bacteria are known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Droplets of cough or sneeze by a infected person. If a person's droplets from the cough or sneeze comes in contact with the other person, then the other person may get infected due to tuberculosis, and it is caused by the bacteria known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. That bacteria goes to your lungs and it infects the lungs, and then you feel shortening of breathing. Now skin cancer or Skin cancer on skin. A person when skin cancer occurs, the skin becomes damaged, as you can see in the picture. Thousands and lakhs of money people are wasting on face, but when skin cancer occur, everything gone vain. As you can see, normal condition, this was the face, and this is the condition of the face when it become skin cancer. Now, infectious or communicable disease. Disease which spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, vector, physical contact or sexual contact. Example, common cold, chickenpox, measles, typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, malaria, AIDS, and nowadays one new disease has come, that is coronavirus. These are what? Infectious or communicable disease. Disease which spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, that is coronavirus is nowadays passing through air, water, food, vector, physical contact or sexual contact. This all can happen in coronavirus. These are known as infectious or communicable disease. Now, non-infectious or non-communicable disease. Disease which are not spread from infected person to healthy person. Non-infectious or non-communicable means disease which are not spread from an infected person to a healthy person. Example, beriberi, rickets, scurvy, night blindness, diabetes, cancer and high BP. These all remain inside the body, inside the cell. It is not transmittable from one person to another. So, cancer, when cancer occurs, it occurs in one cell or one part of your body. It will not transmit from one person to another. So, these are known as non-infectious or non-communicable disease. So, I hope all of you have understood till this much. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section, and I will explain you better, and more I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.